We are out here today at Calmante Townhomes, and we're talking tile roofing. This project is a result of a construction default suit. There were multiple problems with the roof, the stucco. All of it had to go, all of it had to get redone. It's a big project. Reconstruction work is difficult. There's a lot of different moving parts and pieces. So this is a complicated project that we're on today. They were losing quite a bit of tile to high winds. We've got basically the first part of the process here. Starting to remove the tile roof. We've pulled back 4 feet of it to allow the stucco guys to get in there, demo out the stucco so that we can replace all the flashings on the roof. So here we are a little bit further along in the process. The stucco's gone back on the wall and we are able to remove the rest of the tile. This is a very hard, heavy, dirty part of this job. All of this tile is getting recycled. It'll be turned into road base, so it's not going to a landfill. So now we're on a roof which has been completely torn out. The old material has been torn off and completely dried in. So we have a double layer of Boral ply 40 down on here, which is an excellent tile underlayment. All our new flashings are in place, our new valley pans. We are ready to install battens. All right, this slope has all of our battens installed. The battens are the wooden hangers that the tile hooks onto and then gets fastened to. Because of the high winds here, we've got a little bit of an unusual installation. We actually had to screw all of these down rather than using nails. The tile is getting screwed down as well, 2 screws per tile. That is basically the equivalent of a Miami-Dade hurricane-rated tile roof system. Here we have the finished product. Brand new class 4 impact-rated tile roof installed to the specs necessary for the high winds in this area. Black Canyon class 4 Boral Slate. Impact-rated, installed to the high standards for wind out here. Pipes and vents are all painted to match the roof. It's really looking good.